Hey guys, and welcome to another 7th grade math video. We are still on lesson 1, integers, and we are doing the 1.1 through 1.3 quiz. So this is a practice quiz. Keep that in mind. And this study help on the side. You can do this if you want to. You don't have to. If you do, you're just getting yourself ready better for the test. So, let's get started with our practice quiz. As you can see, each one of these questions is labeled with a section. So for one of them, let's say that you don't get question 5, you can look at my video for 1.2 and 1.3 so that you know what we're doing. So now let us get started. With question 1, super easy, just a quick absolute value thing. The absolute value of negative 8 is 8, and which is greater, 8 or 3, it's going to be 8. Now we have 7, and that absolute value of negative 7 is going to be 7, so this is going to be an equal sign. Starting out with the simplest stuff, of course. Next, it's starting to order values. So for number 3, our values are negative 4. The absolute value of negative 5 is 5. The absolute value of negative 4 is 4. Then we have 3 and negative 6. So we're least to greatest. So we have negative 6, negative 4, and then 3, 4, and 5. Right? Pretty simple as long as you write all of the numbers down. Also, for a second, the video paused there. I accidentally hit this pause button. See where my mouse is? Pause. Yeah, I accidentally hit that. So, anyways, continuing with the video is like a 1-second pause. It just probably cut off my voice. And for question 4, we have 12, negative 8, 15. I'm solving the absolute values as I go. Negative 10 and 9. So least to greatest, starting with negative 10, moving up, negative 8, moving up 9, moving up 12, and then moving up 15. So pretty simple as long as you write everything down. So now we're moving on to our evaluate the expression questions. So the way we're going to do this is I'm going to do, I split it up wrong. I will do 5 and 6, and you will do 7 and 8. Then for this one, I will do 9, and you do 10. And then, so you only have 3 practice problems, so no biggie. So for number 5, it's going to be negative 3 plus negative 8. Imagine it like 8 plus 3, which is going to be 11. Then add the negative, so it's negative 11 for that one. And then over there, we just flip it to make it 16 minus 4 to get 12. Now do problems 7 and 8 and enjoy being in your elevator. Alright, hope you enjoyed that little tidbit. Now hopefully you solved 7 and 8. 3 minus 9 is basically going to be, think of it as 9 minus 3, then add the negative to get negative 6. And then for 8, we have negative 5, 2 negatives make a positive, negative 5 plus 5 to get 0. Now moving on, for number 9, it's 4 minus a, but they tell us what a is. A is negative 2. So 4 minus negative 2 minus c, and c is 5. So then 2 negatives make a positive. 4 plus 2 minus 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. Minus 5 is 1. So our answer is 1. And now you do number 10. Remember that they show you the values up here. A is negative 2, B is negative 8, and C is 5. So enjoy your last elevator music that you will hear in this video. And now moving on to number 10, it was B minus C. So negative 8 minus 5 to get 8 plus 5 is 12. Let's see. 8 plus 5, 3, 13. So we get negative 13. Absolute value is 13. Now, number 11 is explore. So 2 climbers explore the cave. There they are in the picture. Write an integer for the position of the climber. So the position of this climber, as you can see, that person is at negative 10 feet because this is the ground and this is negative 10. So the first person's at negative 10, and then the second person is at negative 7. Now, which part in part A is greater? Well, she's higher, so she would be greater. And then, which integer in part A has the greatest absolute value? When we put this in absolute value, the absolute value of negative 10 is 10, absolute value of negative 7 is 7. So actually 10 would be greater. So the absolute value terms, this diver would win. Okay, quick question, quick answer. Next we have number 12, school carnival. The table shows the income and expense for a school carnival. The school's goal was to raise 1100 to the school reach its goal. So this is pretty, we just add everything up. So actually, I'm going to be using a calculator. So I'm just going to state what I do on the calculator out loud. We do 650 plus 530. And according to my calculator, that's 1,180. Then we do plus 52. And that gives us 1,232. Then we minus 28 because that's what happened to the flyers. And we have to minus 75 for all the decorations. And in the end, we get 1,129. And 1,129 is just 1,129 is just 29 above, but yes, it reached its goal. Next is temperature. Temperatures in the Go By Desert. There it is. Go By Desert. Go By Desert. Reach up to negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit in the winter and 90 degrees Fahrenheit in the summer. Find the range of the temperatures. So the way we would do this is we would just do the highest 90 minus negative 40. So range. So I'm going to open up a new tab and we're going to search up how do you calculate range? Just so that you guys understand more. So the range is a set of data. So look, this is the range. You see this? Okay, so you're probably not getting it. It's 14, 19. So numbers are 14, 19, 20, 24, 25, and 28. And we get 1. So those are our numbers. And basically the range is the lowest number. And our lowest number is 14. So that is how you calculate range. And the range over here is going to be negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's our range. So as you can see, also I might be wrong at that range thing. You can look into it more. And if I'm wrong, then just comment down below. I'm sorry if I'm wrong. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Now you're ready for your 1.1 through 1.3 quiz. And now don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell to get notifications. And I will see you guys later.